That's awesome, dude. Yeah, that's sick.
So it's been a really long time since I've talked to you guys. What's up? Today we're doing the first thing that we've ever done in a very long time since this whole COVID nonsense. Going to the track. HMP, drag strip, should be a lot of fun. I'm making some food right now before Robin comes picks me up in the CTSV, and then we're gonna head to the track. It'll be a lot of fun. So figured I'd just do a little vlog this time, making a quick little quesadilla, and it should be delightful. So keep watching. It's gonna be fun. I like to put my cheese down, and then the meat, and then the cheese again when I'm doing my quesadilla. So figured I'd show a little live action meal prep, you could say. This cheese, amazing, 4-cheese Italian style. If you haven't had it, go have it. And then this salsa is also really, really good. Cilantro lime, really good. So this is what I like to do with my quesadillas. Put a little butter on top, makes it nice and flaky, and of course buttery. There's a nice buttery. Take a little bit of my salsa, put it in the middle, spread it around. There it is, cut and ready to enjoy. I mean, just look at that. So good, so good.
Sounds amazing. Sounds so good. So good.
What up? Hello there, kind sir. I don't want you making your own food here. Those bikes, ATV, drag ATV, insane.
That's, look at those skinnies on the front.
Yeah, dude, that's insane.
You can see me now. Yeah, I haven't been on a bank like this. This is a really, really steep bank, actually. Like, it's pretty insane. Seeing it in person, you don't realize how steep
These banks are until you walk on them.
Damn, for real, boy.
Yeah, dude, this is insane. Like, wow. Nancy, what's good? Shit, oh, this is good. I got you. Yeah, I got you. Got a Civic, drag Civic hatch, EG hatch. We got my car right there.
Over there, Daddy.
You like that Corvette?
Pain, Bel Air. We got pain. Cuda. That's awesome, dude. Yeah, that's sick.
But what's your YouTube channel?
Damn, that was sick. That was like pretty sick actually. In fact,
Quiet as can be.
last time I came here, I was in my 248X, and that was like 7 years ago.
What is that truck, Daddy?
That's an S10. No! Stay on one side.
This is a VR4?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is. It is. Yeah. That's sick, dude. That's on the spoiler. It's clean. Front mount. My shadow's still on the shot.
Yes, sir.
Look at that Civic, Daddy.
That sounds sick.
That's awesome.
Look at that motorcycle.
What up? I was like, man, I think it's red. He's like, man, I was thinking
good.
silver. We were both way off.
It's red.
Bro?
You know which lane's better, right or left?
That Corvette just killed it on the right lane and spilled some oil.
All I get is Corollas, Camrys, and Accords, man.
They only want to race stuff.
Hassan,
They want to race stuff. Sorry.
Yeah,
They want to race stuff they know they can beat. That's the problem.
Yeah, I like, you know, it's on the highway for fun.
Yeah. It's pretty sick, too.
It's really heavy.
Look at the size of that turbo. That thing's huge.
Same company.
Small, man.
I saw that.
He jumped hard as fuck though. Right? He went early. That's why he got. Oh no! He got him! He got him!
He got the weekend away from his wife. He got the weekend away from his wife.
Going to the store. Goes to track strip.
You already know.
He did a wheelie.
I saw it.
Got him. I think so. Nope, he got it. Okay, so I was editing the video and I realized I never properly closed it out. So I'm gonna do that right here, right now. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. I hope you enjoyed it. It was a ton of fun going out to the drag strip for the first time in years, honestly. Last time I went to the drag strip was last Texas 2K, not this year, obviously because of COVID. So 2019 Texas 2K at HRP quarter mile was the last time that I went to the drag strip. So yeah, it's been a year. So, and it's been actually 7 years since the last time I went to this current drag strip that we're just at, HMP. That's an 8th mile drag strip for those that don't know. And last time I went there, like I mentioned earlier in the video, was about 7 or 8 years ago when I had my 240SX. I went out there, raced my friend in his E36 325i that had Volant exhaust and intake. And I was out there in my bone stock KA S14 240SX with a slipping clutch. Needless to say, I got my ass handed to me, but it was a lot of fun, and it just brought back all those memories being back out there the other night. So that was fun. A lot of awesome cars. I gotta say, that diesel truck caught me off guard. When I walked up behind it and I saw just how built it was, you know, fully gutted, tubular chassis, I knew it meant business. And then I saw it run and I was like, oh my God. That thing moves out. Like, that was by far the fastest vehicle on the track that night for sure. And I gotta say, normally I hate trucks. Normally I don't care for diesels, but seeing the amount of performance that those trucks actually put down was like, all right, that's pretty cool. So yeah, hats off to those guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and we'll see you guys for the next one. Remember to go out there, do something awesome. Peace.